Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to go over some basic maintenance tips you can do with your dishwasher to help keep it clean well as long as possible. Okay, today we have a Bosch dishwasher, and we're going to go over a couple things. First of all, what you can do is they have what's called a water filter. And no, it's not like the filter in your house that softens water. It's basically, it filters the water so big chunks and semi-big chunks don't make it to the motors and potentially do damage. Now what you're looking for is this. This is going to be your filter. There's actually two here, okay? You basically twist and pull. It's pretty basic, pretty easy. If you look here, that's pretty good sized holes, okay? That's gonna filter out large chunks. Now if you look in here, you have a different one. These are much, much finer threads. But I can still look and I can still see light through it, which means I have a good pass-through of water, okay? Now what can happen, and does happen, is you get something like this. Let's say you've had your dishwasher for 3 or 4 years, you've never done this. It can end up looking something like this. I know this isn't the same, but the principle is the same on how to play with it, okay? Like I said, you really can't see, you see all that junk? That is not allowing water to flow through. The less water flows through, the less water you can actually get cleaning your dishes. These are real easy to clean. If you got a problem, you just get some dishwater, or get a little toothbrush, and you can sit there and you can just scrub it, and these will all come clean. Now, if it's really been a long time or you really have hard water, you may want to get some stuff like CLR or something that will remove calcium, lime, and rust, okay? You just basically put some in, follow the directions, put it in there, let it sit, and it will eat away all of the calcium, lime, and rust. But most of the time, if you do it regularly, you can sit there with a toothbrush, and you'll do just this, rub it on it, and you're gonna see all that just came off with me just using my fingernail. So you get a toothbrush in there, it'll clean up nicely. Same thing with this. You just get in there and you get a toothbrush and it'll clean up and it'll help keep your washer running as well as possible. As for putting it back in, it's pretty self-explanatory, okay? And then you basically turn it, voila, you line up your arrows. If you look on here, okay, you've got arrows. Those tell you which way to turn to tighten it down, okay? So you put it in, set it down. Like I said, it only goes in one way. You really can't put them in wrong, okay? Well, you can, but you really have to work hard to put it in incorrectly. And then you do it, boom, and it's secure again. And one other thing to consider is also your rinse aid. That's what helps keep your dishes get drier when you work on them. Now, this is where the rinse aid goes in, okay? Goes in there. You fill it up, and you'll see it in there. It's got a little stopper that keeps it there. The nice thing about the Bosch dishwasher is, you see this little light right there? If you see that light on, that means you're low on rinse aid. That's a real easy way to know you got to refill it. If you've put rinse aid in and that light's not on, you're good to go. It'll let you know when it's got a problem. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back for some more wonderful information and have a good day.